Hello, welcome back to another video. It's been a while. Let's just get into this now. What if you could drink your way to better skin, higher energy, and a cleaner liver? Who doesn't want that? This vibrant red elixir is often called the miracle drink, and for some good reason. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 powerful reasons you should be drinking carrot and beetroot juice if you haven't been doing that every single morning. Let's just get straight into that. For this, you only need some carrots and some beetroot. You can actually add lemon or some ginger to give it a little zinc. I'll be using my Huron juicer to do this. You can actually use a normal blender if you do not have a juicer. The first reason you should drink this every morning is because it gives you that glow. Carrots are packed with beta carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This repairs skin tissue and protects against UV damages. When you combine that with the antioxidants in beetroot, you're basically drinking a natural highlighter. It clears up acne and gives your skin that lit from within look without the expensive serum. This is for my girlies. I know you love this. And the second reason you should be drinking this, it's because of its purification and iron boost. It's a total blood builder. Beetroot is a powerhouse of iron and folic acid. If you often feel sluggish or have low hemoglobin, this juice helps regenerate red blood cells and improve oxygen flow throughout your body. Who doesn't want that? It's a natural tune-up for your circulatory system. You should always try it. Drinking natural juices. I think this is actually cheaper than store-bought because you don't really need to spend too much to do this. Just straight to the point. You have a juicer or you don't have a juicer, you can use a blender to do that. And the chaff is high in fiber. You can use that to do other things. You can add them in your smoothie, you can add them to different things to just make use of everything without wasting anything from your juicing. The third reason why you should be drinking this juice is because of its natural energy and stamina boosting properties. Beetroot contain natural nitrates that convert into nitric oxide in the body. This relaxes your blood vessels and allow more oxygen to reach your muscles and brain. Whether you're heading to the gym or a long day at the office, this juice gives you sustained stamina without the caffeine crash. It boosts your energy. You don't get tired. You have this energy. You're active. You're not feeling sluggish during the day. Reason four to drink this is very, very important. It helps in liver detoxification. It's your liver works hard to filter toxin, and the betaine found in beetroot helps it to do its job more effectively. This juice stimulates liver functions and helps flush out metabolic waste, making it one of the simplest detox you can do daily. It's very easy, straight to the point, and you don't need to stress yourself too much. And when you do this yourself, you know what you are putting into it. And the final reason for making this juice is for your heart. Who doesn't want a good heart? Studies have shown that the nitrate in beetroot juice can help lower blood pressure within just a few minutes of consumption. Combined with the potassium in carrots, this deal keeps your heart beating strong and your arteries flexible. I think this is a good drink that will keep your heart beating very well. Who does not want that? You should try this and let me know in the comment section how it went. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. And just a quick reminder, guys, while this juice is a powerhouse of nutrients, I am not a doctor. Always check with your professional before starting a new daily routine, especially if you have specific health concerns. Drink smart and stay healthy. And for this chap, I'm going to put this in my oats. I'm going to roll them into snack that I can munch on. Healthy snack. Remember, we're trying to live healthy. And I'm hoping I see you in my next video. Bye.